everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Bean and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a mid to high ponytail. I have another video on how to do a regular low pony, but this one is going to be slightly different. The first thing you're going to want to do is put your hair tie around your right wrist. To start with, we are going to comb out all the tangles. I like to leave a little side part in my hair because I feel like it frames my face a little bit better, but you can comb everything straight back if you would like. And then once you get all those tangles combed out, we're going to tuck the hair behind the ears. You're going to tilt your head back as far as you can so you can gather up your hair with your thumbs and slowly and gently lift it up to that mid-high section in the back of your head. And then what tends to happen when you do this is your hair might bunch up and tangle a little bit towards the top. So while you hold the pony with your left hand, you're going to take your brush and just run it through the crown right there where that hair is tangling. And just open your left hand up enough to run that brush through. And then you're going to hold the ponytail with your right hand while you use the left hand to pull that hair tie over. And then you're going to twist the hair tie, pull it back over the pony, and then just keep doing that until you run out of hair tie. I have to do this 4 or 5 times because I'm using the coil hair tie, which I prefer because it's easier on my hair. And then divide the ponytail into 2 and pull it apart. This is going to tighten that hair tie a little bit so your ponytail doesn't sag. I will normally adjust the bottom portion of the hair tie so that my ponytail is not laying too flat, and then I'll just kind of fluff it out a little bit. And there you have it, a basic mid-high ponytail. There are lots of variations you can learn with this one, but this is just the basic style for when we're in a rush or don't have time or whatever it may be and we just need our hair out of our face. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and have a fabulous day.